Hey, Dr. Petrie. My name is Zach, and I own a company out of Paris, Texas named 6x6 Media. And I wanted to send you this video to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, well, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Well, I found by showing people these few things that you can do for your business online to bring in extra clients, they look to me and say that they like what I do and they want me to help them out. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with gaining those clients, just shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan that I'm showing you and do it for yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. And what I mean by that is having at least 1,500 words on your home page of your website. But I've noticed that y'all don't even have a website domain. You do have a Facebook page, which is good because you're at least getting your address, phone number, and this link to this directory right here, which I took a look at earlier. So yeah, another address, phone number type situation with reviews, and that's good too. But by having a website, a lot of people, whenever they're looking for a chiropractor, they do it by word of mouth, or they decide to go to Google and find a chiropractor in their area. Well, whenever I Googled chiropractor in Mobile, Alabama, I came up, so Corsentino Chiropractic pulls up first right here, and they're also first in what we call the Map Pack, and Discover Chiropractic was the other one that I pulled up. And they actually, once you get past Yelp and the best rated website, they come up 4th in what we call organic. So by having a website, you're getting this visibility from Google out to potential customers that could be coming into your business. And now, as I was explaining earlier with content, we're going to take a look at your 2 competitors' websites, Corsentino and Discover. We're going to take a look at how much content they have and how we could get ahead by building a website and being able to get yourself out there a little bit more. And looking at Corsentino, so I'm using this free tool called SEO Quake. You can download it and put it on your computer and use it for free. They're running about 1,000 words right now, a little over 1,000 words, ranking for maybe 3 keywords that would really help bump them up in Google's eyes. And this would be something that would be really easy to get an edge on and get ahead of them. Now we're going to look at Discover Chiropractic, and they're at about 2,200 words, which is quite a bit of content for a home page, which is still very beatable. And they're ranking for a few better words here, but there's still they still have some work to do on theirs. And it'll be easy to beat them out as well. Now the next thing I want to take a look at is what we call the Google Map Pack. So we have these things called NAPs, and what it is name, address, phone number. So like Corsentino right here, you got name, address, phone number. Same thing with Discover Chiropractic. Name, address, phone number. Well, the way that they rank in this Google Map Pack is what we call citations. So I did a quick search on a few different competitors' websites in your area, and I found that they're running about 50 citations a piece. And really, this would be easy to beat out because you want to be running about 200 to 300 citations to be absolutely optimal in Google's eyes. So that being said, we build your website, put you a bunch of citations in there, you come up first on this Google Map Pack, and you're getting more visibility to all the consumers in your area. And the next thing I want to talk about are backlinks. So these backlinks, essentially the way that they work is you have what's called Site A pointing to Site B, which gives Site B more authority, kind of like a popularity contest in Google's eyes. And the way that this is accomplished is by going to different websites and basically telling them, hey, link to my website through this different type of link. Well, I can go back to SEO Quake and I can look at the backlinks that both of these other companies have. So they have 160 at Corsentino. You can actually click on these and it'll show you their backlinks. And what's good about that is you can figure out what good backlinks there are out there for you to use on your own website. So this will just give you another edge. And so they're running about 160, and then we go to Discover, and they're also running close to 160. So this would be a number, it would take some time to get to this number, but it's definitely doable, and we could push you up to a higher number than theirs, so you have more authority in Google's eyes, therefore, once again, getting more visibility. So all that being said, in closing, I want to kind of tap on the 3 things I talked to you about today. Number 1 was the content and having a website. So you want to have about 1,500 words on that website with good keywords that relate to your business and your industry. Number 2, you want to have at least 200 to 300 citations. That'll get you put into the Google Map Pack that we talked about right here. And then number 3 were backlinks, and that's where you get authority from Google. And like we said, the popularity contest, have a bunch of different sites pointing to your website, telling Google that you're the popular one to search for in the area. Well, with that being said, if you like what you heard today, just give me a call at 903-715-7876, and we can kind of go over some more details. I'd be really interested in talking to you to see kind of what your goals are as a business and how I could help you get there. And like I said, if you just want to take this attack plan that I've given you and just use it for yourself, that's fine with me too. Just holler at me if you have any questions. I appreciate it. Thanks.